So I climbed up here, and now I need to get down, but with my camera, my tripod, and my bag, I don't know if I can. So Eric's got to come over here and grab all my stuff so that I can slide down this little bit of a rock face to make sure he doesn't fall. And the boot goes in. Is your foot soaked?
Get a little intro going. Good morning. We are here in Wilmington, Vermont.
Or New York.
Good morning. We are here in Wilmington, New York, which is near Lake Placid. And the reason we're here is because we hear there's some really nice waterfalls around here. So we're going to spend a day driving around, see what we see, and come on along with us.
Yeah, come for the ride.
This is our mobile base camp. This is Bill's RV. We do all of our exploring and RVing and waterfall shooting right out of here. And this is where it all happens. Camera bag, tripod, warm weather gear, lenses, accessories, everything we might possibly need. So we came looking for waterfalls and we found them. Found some really cool waterfalls. I mean, we did about an hour or so of hiking up and down the mountainside here through the trees. But we found some waterfalls at the base of the river down there, and then we kind of scrambled up these giant boulders that we're standing on now. Pretty cool.
29 degrees this morning. It's September, 18th, 19th?
Yeah, it's still summer.
Like that. And it's cold here. We're in Lake Placid, New York. This is actually a KOA campground, and the river runs along the back of the campground. So we just left the campsite and came over here, and now we're going to spend the rest of the day hiking and seeing what else we can find.
We are going to check out High Falls Gorge. By the way, I love being surrounded by mountains. Just so nice. I don't know, something about mountains. So this is completely different than what we did this morning at the other falls where we had to do a lot of hiking and climbing. This is High Falls Gorge. It's just a system of boardwalks and walkways and staircases, and the falls are beautiful, and it's right off the road. It's really accessible. There's Bill.
But the problem with this place is, though, no tripods.
Right.
So we're having to get creative, trying to capture the falls and get some motion in the water. You only really need a second and a half. So, you know, there's a lot of railings and places to prop the cameras up, and that's what we're trying to do.
So you can see the falls over here, and then there's this whole system of walkways and staircases going all the way down. So these walkways are basically all over the sides of the gorge. And there's walkways going back and forth and bridges. I mean, if you like waterfalls and you don't want to do too much strenuous hiking, this might be a good spot. This is Whiteface. This is basically the ski area from the 1980 Olympics. This is where all the ski events happened and everything. So from here, basically, you can take a gondola up to the top.
Which is what we're going to be doing.
Which is what we're doing now. So we'll see what kind of stuff we can see from up there, and take some pictures along the way up, and check out what's up there, and then after that...
We're really touristy here. It's a touristy...
Yeah, this whole area, the whole Lake
doing.
Placid area, they had the Olympics here in 1980, and 1932 before that. So there's a lot of touristy stuff here, which is actually kind of cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It's a really nice place. So we're going to go up there and check that out and see what we see.